you guys are facing this ban message inside of Fortnite, I'm going to be showing you how to completely fix it using a provider known as Vertex. Vertex has been destroying the competition for the past couple of years, and we want to show you his permanent spoofer. It's packed with some insane features like a TPM bypass for Fortnite if you're facing this ban message to get your access back to Fortnite tournaments. If you don't know what a permanent spoofer is, it's an application designed to get you unbanned in the shortest amount of time possible with just one hit of a button. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Once you get to Vertex's website, which is the first link in the description, scroll down and click on the permanent HWID. After getting to this page, you're going to see the one-time option and the lifetime. If you're looking to continue cheating, you're going to want to go with the lifetime. If you're planning on stopping and getting a fresh start, go with the one-time, and then you can see all of the features this spoofer has, as well as all the games it works on and operating systems. Once you are ready to buy, go ahead and select which plan you want and add it to your cart and check out. Before spoofing our device, let's save all our current serials to our desktop. After loading into the spoofer, you can check your serials up here, and then you have the spoofer. You can go ahead and ARP spoof or GPU spoof, and once you're ready, click on spoof, choose your motherboard, and I'll see you guys once we're done. As you guys just saw, I went ahead and spoofed, so we can open up our before and after serials, and you can see on this side-by-side comparison, everything has gone ahead and changed. That proves Vertex was 100% successful, and you guys can go ahead and check them out in the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.